Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Umar, and in this tutorial we will convert a Solidworks file to HTML, and I will show you how to send a Solidworks 3D model on WhatsApp for, let's say, client review. Basically it is assembly, and I created this assembly for a client a long time ago. So let's say I want to send this 3D model to my client without giving them the Solidworks file. So for this, just go to here, save as, and choose here eDrawings, this option, eDrawings, or you can simply go to here, publish to eDrawings. These both options are same, so I will choose this one. Remember, I am using SolidWorks 2020. Make sure your eDrawings are installed with the SolidWorks. So click here, publish to eDrawings. I will check this box, and I will keep all these settings as it is. You can see here, I will not change these settings. I will keep it as it is. OK, and select OK. Now it will open this 3D model in eDrawings. Just go to here, file, and select this option, save as, and I will change this to this one, .html, and I will change its directory to, let's say, desktop, and select save. I will close this. I will close this SolidWorks file as well. Don't save. This is the file. I will double click it. And here you can see your 3D model in HTML. You can send this file on WhatsApp to your client for review without giving them the actual file. So here you can see the number of parts, just like SolidWorks. And you can also explode your assembly like this. And you can also section your assembly, and you can change different visual styles, solid, and let's say this one, hidden lines visible, wireframe, etc. I will change it to shaded with edges. So that's how you can send your file to your customer. It is super fast and easy way to get feedback from your client. It is great for first reviews even while you are still working on the final design. So next time when a client asks, can I see the model? Now you know what to do. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects in SolidWorks. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.